Diwi. Español uno. You know. You know. We are learning a new tense today. How to say what we are doing now. Right now. It's not too hard, it's got a formula. Use a star and add a gerundio. Oh yeah, first, let's break down the verb estar. It's irregular, just memorizar. Estoy, estás, and está. Oh yeah. Estamos, estáis, and están. Don't forget those acentos. Only leave out yo and nosotros. Presente, progresivo. You can do it in under un minuto. Use a star plus add gerundio. AR equals ando and ER yendo. Presente, progresivo. IR verbs also use yendo. If you've got a vowel, it just goes yendo. Don't worry, it's not the endo. A star comes first, then add the gerund. What you are doing right now. Let's show others just how. The verb to be plus ing endings. So easy, it's like I'm chewing. We can conjugate viewing. Some gerunds are irregular. Review them now and let's confer. Only 2 stem changes now. Get them right and shine like wow. One is O to you. It's so fácil. Others are E2I. Not so difícil. Examples are verbs like dormir. Let's not forget also morir. Don't leave out pedir and servir. Seguir and also preferir. Sabes que este tema es tan fácil. Puedo jugar. No es difícil. Hablando, comiendo, viviendo, leyendo. Ir yendo. Traer is trayendo. And right now, let's show others just how. Durmiendo, muriendo, pedir es pidiendo, servir, sirviendo, seguir, siguiendo. Right now, let's show others just how. Presente, progresivo. You can do it in under un minuto. Use a star plus el gerundio. AR equals ando and ER yendo. Presente, progresivo. IR verbs also use yendo. If you've got a vowel, it just goes yendo. Don't worry, it's not the endo. A star comes first, then add the gerund. What you are doing right now. Let's show others just how. The verb to be plus ing endings. So easy, it's like I'm chewing. We can conjugate reviewing. Presente, progresivo. This is how we do it down at TEB High School. Senora Wheat, Spanish 1, we're not fools. Conjugate forever, follow all the rules. Ando comiendo, viviendo, leyendo, bailando, cantando, en escribiendo. Durmiendo, muriendo, pedir es pidiendo, servir, sirviendo, seguir, siguiendo. Right now, let's show others just how. Presente, progresivo.